Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have a 2021 Hot Wheels factory 500 horsepower series Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Now this is one of my favorites out of the line of 10 cars. You can see it's painted in a bright yellow. It says GT3 RS on the side for the graphics with black wheels. I really like this black and yellow combination. Coming around the front, you can see the headlights are kind of a clear plastic, which is kind of cool. Normally, they just paint the headlights on the vehicles. You can kind of see the Porsche emblem right on the hood. And coming around the top, not much to the look on the top. It's very clean if you like those vehicles that are just solid color. Also, I'm covering up the wing over here. It actually says Porsche on there, which is neat. I like that little detail. And then coming around the back, no paint for the taillights or anything, just all yellow. You can see the two tailpipes on the bottom. So it's very clean look. If you like the vehicles where they're just very simple with not very much graphics or paints all over. Looking at the bottom, a little bit of detail, not too much to it. Just has all the normal text on the bottom. I really like the graphics on the side of on the package itself. There's a really cool graphics for it. Now this vehicle costs about double a regular mainline Hot Wheels, so it's a little bit more pricier, and I don't see much more detail compared to a regular line. I wish they just kind of made the price at around $1 instead of like $2.17. This is what I paid for. Come around the back, it shows all the other vehicles that they make in this 500 factory 500 horsepower line. You can see the Cadillac CTS-V, a Ford Shelby GT350R, 2010 Shelby GT500 Super Snake, a 2013 SRT Viper, 2012 Camaro ZL1 Concept, a 2012 Corvette 06, a Bentley Continental Super Sport, a Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4, a McLaren 720S, and the last one is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, which is the one that I just showed you. So out of all those, which one would be your favorite? For me, I still like this Porsche because I like the color combination, and I just think this is a nice car out of the line of 10 vehicles. So remember, just comment below. Let me know what you think about this vehicle, or tell me which one you like out of the 10 that I just told you about. But here's a look at the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, part of the factory 500 HP line. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to support it. Thank you very much.